What if the carry-on bag in your closet becomes illegal to bring on a plane next year? Not damaged, not suspicious, just non-compliant. Airlines worldwide are flipping the script on everything you know about packing. New scanners, stricter limits, hidden traps that'll cost you hundreds if you're not ready. The rules dropped quietly. Enforcement starts loud. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Starting January 2026, TSA and international airport authorities are rolling out the biggest carry-on crackdown in aviation history. Every major airline, Delta, United, American, Southwest, and their international counterparts, signed onto a unified enforcement system. For years, airlines played fast and loose with their own rules. One carrier allowed 22-inch bags, and another said 21. Regional jets enforced limits. Wide-body planes didn't care. Travelers exploited the confusion, jamming oversized luggage into overhead bins while gate agents looked away. That free-for-all just ended. The new system uses automated scanning technology that measures your bag down to the millimeter. Digital scales weigh it at check-in. Even your batteries get scrutinized with watt-hour calculators. There's no more talking your way past an agent. Break a rule and you'll pay, sometimes instantly, sometimes at the gate in front of everyone. But here's what almost nobody realizes yet. Rule 1, size standards. The first rule catching travelers is the new global size standard. 22 inches long, 14 inches wide, 9 inches deep. That's 22 of 14 emerged 9 for every airline, every airport, every flight. Here's the trap. That measurement now includes everything. The wheels, the extendable handle, the bulging outer pockets. If any part of your bag exceeds those dimensions, it fails. 63% of carry-on bags currently sold don't meet this standard. That bag you bought 3 years ago? Probably too big. That expandable suitcase? Definitely too big. Airports are installing sensor-equipped frames at security checkpoints and boarding gates. Slide your bag in, and LED lights instantly flash red or green. Some terminals are testing automated scanners that measure your luggage as you approach the gate. Get flagged and you're looking at fees between $35 and $100 depending on your airline and destination. The fix is simple but requires action now. Grab a tape measure. Measure your current bag with the handle extended and wheels touching the ground. Include every bulge and pocket. If you're over, even by half an inch, buy compliant luggage now or budget for checked bag fees on every future flight, and that's just the beginning. Rule 2, weight limits. Your bag might fit perfectly, but in 2026, that's only half the battle. Airlines are now enforcing strict weight limits between 17 and 22 pounds. A laptop weighs about 4 pounds. Add shoes, toiletries, a jacket, and maybe a book. And you're already pushing 19 pounds before packing a single change of clothes. Airlines aren't trusting you to be honest. Self-check-in kiosks now have built-in scales that automatically weigh your carry-on. The system flags overweight bags before you even get a boarding pass. Some carriers are placing weigh stations directly at the gate. Your name gets called. Everyone watches. If it's over, you'll repack on the spot, pay a fee, or hand your bag over for checking. The solution costs $10. Buy a portable luggage scale. Weigh your bag at home. If you're close to the limit, wear your heaviest items onto the plane. Frequent flyers live by one rule. If you won't use it 3 times on the trip, leave it home. The next rule shrinks what you thought was safe. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Rule 3, personal items. Now airlines are coming for your second bag. That purse, laptop case, or backpack you've always brought as your personal item just got downsized. The new limit is 18 by 14 by 8 inches. And it must fit completely under the seat in front of you. Not halfway, not squeezed at an angle. Completely. Under seat space varies wildly depending on the aircraft. Regional jets have almost no room, but the rule doesn't care what plane you're on. If your bag doesn't fit entirely under that seat, it gets checked. Smart travelers are switching to soft-sided bags that compress. Hard cases are a gamble. Here's the move that separates prepared travelers from everyone else. Keep your irreplaceable items in your personal bag, medication, passport, laptop, chargers, because if overhead bins fill up and your carry-on gets gate checked, your personal item stays with you. But there's actually one piece of good news. Rule 4, liquid evolution. After nearly 20 years, the 311 liquid rule is finally dying. Some airports now allow full-size liquids in your carry-on thanks to new CT scanning technology. But here's the catch. The rollout is inconsistent. Major hubs like Atlanta, Dallas, and Denver already have upgraded scanners. Smaller regional airports are years behind. You could fly out of an airport that allows full-size liquids, then connect through one that doesn't. Your shampoo makes it through New York but gets tossed in Charlotte. The smart move? Pack defensively. Keep liquids in a clear pouch at the top of your bag. Better yet, switch to solid alternatives. Shampoo bars, solid deodorant, solid perfume. None count toward liquid limits. But this next rule is where unprepared travelers get blindsided. Rule 5, electronics and batteries. This rule quietly punishes people who don't pay attention. Your electronics and power banks are now under serious scrutiny. If your phone, tablet, or laptop can't power on when a TSA officer asks, it doesn't go through security. Dead battery equals suspicious device. That device gets confiscated. Power banks are even more dangerous. The only number that matters is watt hours. Under 100, you're fine. Between 100 and 160, you need airline approval. Over 160, that battery is banned. Most people have never checked that label. A 20,000 milliamp power bank at 3.7 volts is about 74 watt hours. Safe, but many newer high-capacity chargers push past 100. The fix is simple. Charge everything the night before. Keep your power bank and cables near the top of your bag. Take a photo of each device's battery specifications. If your device is dead and you can't prove its specs, security won't be on your side. And this next category faces even harsher restrictions. Rule 6, smart luggage. If you own high-tech suitcases with built-in chargers or GPS tracking, listen carefully. In 2026, they're banned unless the battery is removable. This rule exists because lithium-ion batteries have caused multiple in-flight fire scares traced back to smart luggage that couldn't be powered down. If the battery can't come out, the bag can't come aboard. Security can ask you to demonstrate battery removal on the spot. If it's permanently installed, you'll check the bag or leave it behind. Look for labels saying TSA-approved removable power system. Test the removal mechanism before every flight. But even with compliant luggage, there's one final battle. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Rule 7, overhead bin space. The final battle is overhead bin space. In 2026, it's become the most fought-over real estate in aviation. Airlines are cramming more seats into cabins and packing flights to maximum capacity. Fewer open bins, more frustrated passengers, and priority boarding fees that force economy travelers to pay just to secure space. Basic economy tickets board last. By the time your group is called, bins are full. Your carry-on gets gate-checked and disappears down the jet bridge. Here's how prepared travelers beat this. Board the instant your group is called. Don't wait at the coffee stand. Travel with an underseat bag holding essentials. Passport, laptop, medications, valuables. If traveling with someone, share one carry-on and each bring a personal item. It cuts your overhead footprint in half, which brings us to the reality nobody's talking about. These 7 rules aren't suggestions. They're enforcement mechanisms designed to generate revenue from unprepared travelers. Measure your bag tonight. Weigh it before your next trip. Charge your devices. Check your power bank specs. The passengers who adapt now will breeze through security while everyone else scrambles at the gate. But here's what's coming next that even fewer people know about. The TSA just announced facial recognition requirements for domestic flights starting late 2026, and the privacy implications are already causing lawsuits in 3 states.